Menteri Rangba Agjelau Konrad Konggal Sangma ubalongru kumu National President ka Parti NPP uloong bawatla nakaliang ka BJP kala Kyntait bantau sorkar lang bat ka Parti NPP ha Manipur henry nakaliang ka NPP kanam Pynlait ka khti jong ka BJP bani Trei lang ha ki wei pat ki jela Habekran bakila pathai khubor nakaliang Menteri Rangba ula pensai bawatla ka Parti BJP kala Kyntait bani Trei lang bat ka Parti NPP ha Manipur henry kini baro kemsem ladon kano ka jinge pher jengmut ha ka bayadei ha pedang kini ki ar parti Uloong ru bahadu menta ka Parti NPP kadang kersan ya ka North East Democratic Alliance lane ka NEDA bat kadang ya Trei lang ru bat ka National Democratic Alliance lane ka NDA ka sorkar pedeng bat kumju ru ha Arunachal Pradesh bat ha Jilla Meghalaya ka Parti NPP ka ya Trei lang bat ka BJP Ulapan paru bana kaliang ka jong u lada ban penpau iki nong yelam ka BJP ha Manipur bawatla ki don ki number bakim don kamshu iki jingkersan ki weipat ki parti ban thawi ka sarkar henry lada ka BJP ka kwa ban bud ka sarkar senrop ha Manipur na kaliang ka parti NPP kalong ka balakloi ban Trei lang Habayde ha ka Jilla Meghalaya uloong kombalada ban penbej ban Trei lang bat baro an riutli ki parti ki basenrop lang ha ka sarkar MDA ondang ye piteng ye ka jinge Trei lang
No, I think there's no question of any strained relationship. We have always fought elections on our own terms. So therefore, whether it's Manipur in this election or Manipur in the last election, whether it was Meghalaya elections, Assam, Mizoram, Nagaland, in every election, we have fought elections separately. We have never fought any election with any political party. There's been no alliance. So therefore, there's no question of any strain or stress. These are the dynamics of politics, and this is how things go. And obviously, we as a party would look at the interest of the National People's Party. Now, having said that, we are still supporting the NDA in the center. We are still part of the NEDA. We are still having a strong relationship in Arunachal Pradesh. And we are obviously in the government together here in Meghalaya. So therefore, these kind of situations, political situations will always happen. But there's a long-term relationship that we see, and in situations accordingly we'll decide. Now in this election in Manipur, we had expected that we will cross double digits. We got 7 seats. In 15 of the seats, we came second. In fact, in 5 seats, we lost by less than 300 votes. So it was a very, very close call for us. And if things had been slightly better, maybe we would have crossed the double-digit mark. We also saw that NPP has emerged as the second largest party, and we have increased our vote share from 5% to 17% in Manipur, which is a huge jump and reflects the kind of growth that the party is having. So having said that, yes, it did not go exactly as we planned, but that's the nature of politics, and we will see how things unfold in the next few days, and accordingly we'll decide how to move forward. And I've also made it clear to the NDA and the BJP leadership that they have the numbers, they don't require the support of any political party. But if the BJP so desires that the coalition principle that we're following in other parts of the country be followed in Manipur, we are open to supporting the government in Manipur of the BJP.
But what about...
Absolutely. I've been very clear that we as a coalition have always been committed to our principles and to our commitment. And we have committed that we will work together with all the coalition partners, not just BJP. Every single 6 coalition partners and the independents who are with us have supported us when we needed them. And they have stuck with the government and with the MDA in difficult times. So therefore, it is the duty of the government and of the leadership to ensure that we appreciate that and ensure that we fulfill the commitments that we have given to each one of them.
So,